Hey everyone! Today, I'm tackling a life-changing question. What tattoo style best represents my country? Get ready for a whirlwind tour of tattoo cultures from around the world, with a pinch of humor, of course. 1. Why is it so hard? Tattoos aren't just pretty pictures. They're a whole world of history and culture. But let's be honest, choosing one is like trying to find the perfect pair of jeans. Does this style suit me? Will my grandma freak out? What if I just get a small quote and call it a day? And then there's the endless list of options: Japanese dragons, Maori spirals, minimalist lines, or bold Latin American patterns that scream, "Look at me." 2 cultural highlights. Let's take a quick trip around the globe. Japan, Irizumi tattoos, with dragons, samurai, and deep philosophy in every line. Africa, scarification tattoos, strength, beauty, and ancestral connections etched into the skin. Maori, intricate spirals and patterns that tell your life story and heritage. Latin America, bright, bold Aztec and Mayan designs that demand attention. Europe, minimalism, a single line but oh, so chic. 3. What to choose? If you want your tattoo to reflect your roots, pick something that resonates with your soul. But remember, a tattoo isn't just an accessory, it's a story on your skin. And hey, if you mess up, there's always laser removal. 4. Closing thoughts. Tell me in the comments, which tattoo style speaks to you? Are you into vibrant designs, minimalist chic, or something deeply cultural? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tattoo adventures in the next video. See you soon. Short, fun, and to the point. What do you think?